these new Barbie Fashionistas out, we've just gotta make some of them made to move. These are some of my favorites from this line. The dolls we playfully renamed Teddy, Belle, and Rosie. The first thing we've got to do is find them a made-to-move body match. Wait a minute, they're getting made-to-move bodies? I thought we were only getting them for their clothes. Sophie, be nice. There is more than enough room in the dollhouse. All I'm saying is somebody needs to make more doll rooms. Just saying. Let's start with Teddy. I think she is a purple top made-to-move Barbie. I bought this one on Amazon because I've been having a difficult time finding them in stores. And yep, they look like a perfect match. Belle is a petite Barbie, but unfortunately we don't have any petite made-to-move bodies. So it looks like she's gonna have a little growth spurt. I found this made-to-move Barbie a few weeks ago at Toys R Us. And our third fashionista is Rosie. I am considering one of these two for a match. I think it might be the Barbie soccer player. Yep, I think that's it. Now that everyone has found their match, everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. And now we have 3 new made-to-move Barbie Fashionistas. We might need to touch up their hair a little. I am going to give her a hot water rinse. I take Belle's ponytails down and make them a little bit lower. Rather than just doing ponytails, I am going to do little French braids instead. Her hair is awesome. It's like real human hair texture. Where we can go. There, that's cute. And for her, I'm just going to redo her knot so we can see those edges better. And I tucked the end of the hair under as much as I could so it doesn't hang down in the back. Now that everyone's hair is done, I am going to add a few face details, like a touch of pink in the corner of the eye, the smallest touch of a metallic gold paint to her eyes to give them a little glow. And I added a few freckles for a little extra detail. I didn't want to stray too far from the factory finish so they would mesh well with our other dolls. Now what to wear? How about something new? I found these Care Bear outfits today at Walmart. Aren't these just the cutest? And the perfect look for our girls to try on. Rosie is wearing a white short sleeve shirt with a pink heart that says Care Bears. She has a colorful pencil skirt with a slit, carries a heart bag, and has a pair of sunglasses. Belle is wearing an oversized blue shirt dress. She carries a blue handbag and wears a blue headband. I love this shirt. And Teddy is pretty in pink, wearing this pink Care Bear dress with ruffles at the sleeves. There are little Care Bears all over it. She has a white collar necklace and a red heart-shaped purse. Don't these outfits just make you want to scream, Care Bear stare! I grew up watching Care Bears and Care Bear cousins, so this is bringing back memories. And I just adore our new made-to-move Barbie Fashionistas. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog for upcoming Fabsome giveaways.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
Broken dreams, one-time machines, and trips to Neverland. Take the time to free your mind, do everything you can. So don't get it, don't let it, don't forget it. Yeah, just do it, get into it.
We want to give a shout out to Awesome30. What's up? Hey, how come they got Care Bear clothes and I didn't? I like Care Bears. Tender Heart Bear, Lots of Heart Elephant, Funshine Bear. I could be Funshine. Right.